So you might have heard about Kajabi and how it is the absolute best all-in-one solution for your online business. But you might have questions about what to expect inside Kajabi. Like once you sign up and you get that 30-day free trial from me using my link, what do you get when you jump inside? What does the dashboard look like? Can you still build the same website that you want to build? What are your courses going to look like? Are they going to be amazing? Well, I've put together a playlist to answer all of these questions. First, we're going to jump into the dashboard and just ask the question, what should you expect? We're going to walk through the entire dashboard together. Then we're going to do it again, but looking at it from another angle. I want this to be as thorough as possible. So you're getting 2 videos right off the bat, walking you through the entire Kajabi dashboard so you know exactly what to expect when you jump in. Then we're going to walk through the Kajabi website builder, really asking the question, how does it compare to WordPress? Because a lot of people coming to Kajabi currently have a self-hosted WordPress site because it was the standard for a long time. Maybe your website is on WordPress, or maybe it's on Squarespace or Wix. How does the Kajabi website builder compare? We'll dive into all that in these 2 videos. Then we're going to look at the Kajabi sales page, and I'm going to show you my $25,000 Kajabi landing page that I made to sell my first course here on Kajabi. Then we're going to do a Kajabi review that I definitely recommend you watching before making your decision. It's a full features walkthrough. And then finally, how to make an online course on Kajabi that's going to take you into that part of the dashboard and show you how a course is built and how it is sold. So between all of these videos, you're going to get a good idea of what it looks like when you are on the other side of Kajabi. And if you're going to try out Kajabi, be sure to use my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. With that, you get a 30-day free trial. This is a longer trial than you can even get directly from Kajabi, and you can get it with my link. So that's 30 days to jump on there, see if you like it, and decide if it's right for you. You're also going to get a 45-minute Zoom call with me where we can talk about your business, talk about Kajabi, and how to get the best possible start on that platform. I'm also going to give you my $25,000 course launch email template. These are the exact emails and email strategy that I used to launch my first course, which made over $25,000 in the first 3 launches. I'm going to give you all that, the 30-day free trial, the 45-minute call with me, and the email templates for free as a way to say thank you for using my link, because that is an affiliate link. So when you use it, I do get a small commission and no additional cost to you. So I appreciate it very much when you use my link. All right, at this point, if you're not already in this playlist, you can click right here to jump into it, and I'll be in there to take you further in this playlist. And I can't wait to see you in there. So click right there and we'll jump more into Kajabi.